Today we'll guide you through the essential equipment and software you need to create high-quality YouTube videos. So get comfortable, maybe grab a cup of coffee, and let's start. Selecting the right camera is foundational to your content creation journey. It's not just about image quality, but also about how the camera fits into your workflow and creative style. Let's examine the main types of cameras available. Modern smartphones like the iPhone 14 or Samsung Galaxy S22 come equipped with advanced cameras that support 4K video, slow motion, and even cinematic modes. They're incredibly convenient, always with you, and perfect for spontaneous filming or vlog-style content. Plus, there are numerous apps available that can enhance your filming capabilities. Webcams, devices like the Logitech C920, offer HD quality and are excellent for streaming, gaming videos, or any content where you're stationary. They integrate easily with computers and are user-friendly, making them ideal for tutorials, webinars, or live Q&A sessions. Compact cameras, also known as point-and-shoot cameras, models like the Sony RX107 provide high image quality in a small package. They're great for travel vlogging, daily vlogs, or any situation where portability is key. DSLR cameras. Cameras like the Canon EOS 90D offer exceptional image quality, manual controls, and a wide range of lenses. They're suitable for creators who want more control over their footage and are willing to invest time in learning photography and videography fundamentals. Mirrorless cameras, combining the advantages of DSLRs in a lighter body. Cameras like the Sony a6400 are popular among YouTubers. They offer fast autofocus, excellent low-light performance, and high-resolution video capabilities. Action cameras, the GoPro Hero 10, for instance, is rugged, waterproof, and perfect for capturing high-adrenaline activities. With features like hyper-smooth stabilization and wide-angle lenses, they're ideal for sports, adventure vlogging, or immersive travel content. Consider not only the technical specifications, but also how the camera feels in your hands, its battery life, compatibility with accessories, and overall ease of use. Remember, the best camera is the one that you'll use consistently and confidently. Let's compare some specific camera models to help you make an informed decision. Mid-range options. Canon EOS M50. Mark II, this mirrorless camera offers a 24.1 megapixel APS-C sensor, excellent dual-pixel CMOS autofocus, and a vari-angle touchscreen, perfect for self-recording. It also supports vertical video shooting, catering to social media platforms like Instagram and TikTok. Sony ZV-1, tailored for vloggers, it features a 1-inch sensor, a bright 24 to 70 millimeter lens, and advanced autofocus with real-time eye tracking. Unique features like the background defocus button make it easy to achieve professional-looking bokeh with a single press. High-end options. Panasonic Lumix GH5. Known for its video prowess, the GH5 offers 10-bit 422 internal recording, dual image stabilization, and a rugged, weather-sealed body. It's a favorite among filmmakers who need versatility and high-quality footage. Sony a7 III. This full-frame mirrorless camera boasts a 24.2 megapixel sensor, exceptional low-light performance with ISO up to 204,800, and 4K HDR video capabilities. Its long battery life and extensive lens ecosystem make it suitable for various types of content creation. When choosing, consider factors like sensor size, which affects image quality and depth of field, recording formats, frame rates, and connectivity options like Wi-Fi or Bluetooth for easy file transfers. Also, think about future-proofing your investment. Will the camera serve your needs as your skills grow? Lens selection and use. Lenses are crucial in shaping the visual narrative of your videos. They affect the framing, perspective, and overall aesthetic. Let's delve deeper. Prime lenses. With a fixed focal length, prime lenses like the 50mm f1.8, often called the Nifty 50, are excellent for creating a cinematic look. The wide aperture allows for shallow depth of field, making your subject stand out against a beautifully blurred background. Zoom lenses. Lenses like the 24 to 70mm f2.8 offer flexibility, allowing you to adjust your framing without moving physically. They're practical for events, documentaries, or situations where you can't predict the distance from your subject. Wide-angle lenses. A 16mm lens is great for capturing expansive scenes, real estate walkthroughs, or travel vlogs where you want to showcase the environment. Be mindful of distortion at the edges, which can be used creatively or corrected in post-production. Telephoto lenses. Ranging from 70mm upwards, these lenses are perfect for close-ups from a distance, wildlife, or capturing candid moments without intruding. Consider investing in lenses with image stabilization, especially if you plan to shoot handheld. Also, understand lens mounts and compatibility with your camera body. Quality lenses can significantly outlast camera bodies, so they're a worthwhile investment. To maximize your camera's potential, master the exposure triangle. Understanding how aperture, shutter speed, and ISO interact allows you to adapt to different lighting conditions and achieve desired effects like motion blur or freeze action. Utilize focus modes. Learn the difference between single, continuous, and manual focus. Continuous autofocus with face and eye detection is excellent for tracking moving subjects, while manual focus provides precision in controlled environments. Frame rates and resolutions. Choose the appropriate frame rate for your content. 24 FPS for a cinematic look, 30 FPS for standard video, or 60 FPS and higher for smooth, slow-motion effects. Picture profiles. Experiment with your camera's picture profiles like standard, cine-like, or log settings. Shooting in a flat profile like log captures more dynamic range, giving you greater flexibility in color grading during editing. Regular firmware updates. Keep your camera's firmware updated to benefit from performance improvements and new features released by the manufacturer. By spending time with your camera and practicing regularly, you'll become more intuitive in its operation, allowing you to focus on creativity rather than technicalities during shoots. Now that we've established a solid foundation with cameras, let's focus on capturing exceptional audio, a component that's equally important in delivering a professional video experience. High-quality audio elevates your content, making it more engaging and enjoyable. Let's explore microphone types in more detail. Lavalier microphones. Models like the Rode SmartLav Plus are compact and can be easily concealed. They're perfect for interviews, instructional videos, or any scenario where you need to move freely. Wireless systems such as the Sennheiser EW112 PG4 offer even greater mobility. Shotgun microphones, the Rode NTG series or the Deity V Mic D3 Pro are excellent choices. Mounted on your camera or a boom pole, they capture focused sound from the front, reducing ambient noise. They're ideal for outdoor shoots or controlled environments where you can direct the microphone towards your subject. USB microphones, the Audio-Technica ATR 2100X USB combines USB and XLR outputs, offering versatility for different recording setups. They're plug and play, making them accessible for beginners and suitable for voiceovers, podcasts, or live streams. Condenser microphones. Studio mics like the AKG-C214 require an audio interface but provide rich, detailed sound. They're sensitive to nuances, capturing the full spectrum of your voice or instruments. Great for music production or high-quality narration. Cardioid, ideal for solo recordings, minimizing pickup from the sides and rear. Supercardioid, hypercardioid. Even narrower focus than cardioid, capturing sound directly in front and slightly from the rear, useful in noisy environments. Omnidirectional, picks up sound equally from all directions, suitable for group discussions or ambient sound recordings. Figure 8, bidirectional, captures sound from the front and back but rejects sides, perfect for two-person interviews. Choose a microphone that suits your recording environment and the type of content you produce, considering factors like sensitivity, frequency response, and connectivity. Let's look at some microphones trusted by professionals. Rode VideoMic NTG, a hybrid analog USB shotgun mic that can be used on camera or connected directly to your computer. It features a built-in rechargeable battery, safety channel recording, and digital switching. Shure MV7, inspired by the legendary SM7B, the MV7 is a dynamic microphone with both USB and XLR outputs, making it versatile for home studios and professional setups. Zoom H5 Handy Recorder, a portable recorder with interchangeable microphone capsules. It can function as an audio interface, field recorder, or backup recording device, perfect for filmmakers who need flexibility. When selecting a microphone, consider the importance of accessories like shock mounts, which reduce handling noise, and windshields for outdoor recording to minimize wind interference. To capture the best audio possible, maintain consistent distance. Keeping a consistent distance from the microphone ensures steady volume levels and tonal quality. Monitor audio in real time. Use headphones to listen as you record, allowing you to catch issues like background noise, distortion, or mic placement problems immediately. Record in a controlled environment. Whenever possible, record in a space that's acoustically treated or has minimal echo and ambient noise. Simple measures like adding rugs, curtains, or foam panels can significantly improve acoustics. Use a dedicated audio recorder. Recording audio separately from your camera using devices like the Zoom H4n Pro can provide higher quality and redundancy. Clap or use a slate. To synchronize audio and video in post-production, use a clap or a slate at the beginning of each take. Good audio recording is as much about technique as it is about equipment. Practice different setups to find what works best for your specific needs. To further enhance your audio, apply equalization (EQ). In post-production, use EQ to balance frequencies, reduce muddiness, and enhance clarity. For example, cutting low frequencies can eliminate rumble, while boosting mid-high frequencies can make vocals more present. Use compression. Compression evens out the dynamic range of your audio, ensuring softer sounds are audible and louder sounds aren't overwhelming. Be careful not to overcompress, which can make audio sound unnatural. De-esser tools. These reduce sibilance, the harshest sounds in speech, to create a smoother listening experience. Noise gates. Set thresholds to eliminate background noise when the subject isn't speaking, providing cleaner audio tracks. Invest in quality cables. Poor quality cables can introduce noise or interference. Balanced XLR cables are preferred for professional setups. Remember, post-processing can't fix everything, so aim to capture the best possible audio at the source. However, these techniques can significantly polish your recordings. With your audio matching the quality of your visuals, let's illuminate the next topic, literally. Effective lighting is key to making your content stand out and look professional. Lighting shapes the mood, directs attention, and enhances the aesthetic of your videos. Let's explore foundational principles. 3-point lighting in depth. Key light, the primary source that illuminates your subject. It sets the overall exposure and should be positioned to create dimension through shadows. Fill light, placed opposite the key light, it softens shadows created by the key light, controlling contrast. Backlight, hair light. Positioned behind the subject, it creates a rim of light that separates them from the background, adding depth. Lighting ratios. Understanding the ratio between key and fill lights helps control the contrast in your scene. A higher ratio means more dramatic shadows. A lower ratio results in flatter lighting. Hard versus soft light. Hard light comes from a small, focused source, creating sharp shadows, useful for dramatic effects. Soft light, diffused light from a larger source relative to the subject, producing gentle shadows, ideal for flattering portraits and minimizing imperfections. Color theory and lighting. Use colored gels or RGB lights to set the mood. Warm tones, reds, oranges, evoke coziness or passion, while cool tones, blues, greens, can create calmness or tension. Mastering these principles allows you to manipulate light creatively to support your storytelling. Enhance your production with these lighting tools. Softbox lights, kits like the Neewer. Softbox lighting kit are affordable and effective. They diffuse light over a larger area, reducing harsh shadows and providing even illumination. Ring lights. Options like the Diva Ring Light Supernova offer adjustable brightness and color temperature. They're excellent for beauty, makeup tutorials, and any content where the subject faces the camera directly. LED panels. The Aperture Amaran series provides high-quality, bi-color LED panels with adjustable color temperatures. They're portable and often battery-powered, making them versatile for different shooting environments. Continuous fluorescent lights. Affordable and cool to the touch, they're suitable for beginners but offer less intensity than LEDs. Modifiers, accessories like barn doors, grids, and snoots help control the direction and spread of light, allowing for more precise lighting setups. Consider the power output, color accuracy measured by CRI, adjustability, and portability when selecting lighting equipment. Tailor your lighting to your content. Product videos. Use light tents or dedicated product photography lighting kits to eliminate shadows and showcase products effectively. Interviews and talking heads. Employ a classic 3-point lighting setup, but consider adding practical lights visible in the scene, like lamps or LEDs, to create a more engaging background. Green screen shooting. Evenly light the green screen to avoid hot spots or shadows, which can complicate the keying process. Use separate lights for the background and the subject to prevent color spill. Cinematic looks. Experiment with motivated lighting. Light sources that appear to come from elements within the scene, like a window or a lamp, enhancing realism and immersion. Remember to white balance your camera after setting up your lights to ensure accurate color representation. Enhance your lighting with these strategies. Use natural light wisely. Schedule shoots during golden hours, shortly after sunrise or before sunset for soft, warm lighting. If shooting indoors, position your subject near a window with diffused sunlight. DIY solutions. If on a tight budget, use household items like white sheets for diffusion or foil-covered cardboard as reflectors. Layer your lighting. Combine different types of lights, ambient, key, fill, backlight, to add depth and interest to your scene. Avoid flickering. Ensure your lights are compatible with your camera's frame rate and shutter speed to prevent flickering issues. Safety first. Be cautious with electrical equipment, especially in tight spaces. Secure light stands properly to prevent them from tipping over. Good lighting enhances storytelling by setting the tone and guiding the viewer's attention where you want it. With your visuals and audio finely tuned and your scenes beautifully lit, it's time to ensure your footage remains smooth and professional looking. Let's explore stabilization tools in greater depth. Stabilization is more than just preventing shaky footage. It's about enhancing the viewer's experience by ensuring your shots are intentional and cinematic. Here's why it's crucial. Professionalism. Stable footage distinguishes professional content from amateur videos. It reflects your dedication to quality and attention to detail. Viewer comfort. Excessive camera shake can cause discomfort or motion sickness, leading to a poor viewer experience and higher drop-off rates. Storytelling. Controlled camera movements like pans, tilts, and tracking shots can add dynamism to your videos, making them more engaging and visually appealing. Post-production flexibility. Stable footage provides more options in editing, such as cropping, adding digital zooms, or applying motion graphics without exacerbating shake. Investing in stabilization is investing in the overall impact and watchability of your content. Let's examine stabilization tools in detail. Features to look for: a sturdy build, adjustable height, quick release plates, and a fluid head for smooth pans and tilts. Recommended models. The Manfrotto MT190X PR04 offers stability and versatility with its adjustable legs and center column. Advantages: greater mobility than tripods, lighter weight, and quicker setup, ideal for run and gun shooting. Recommended models. The Sarui P326 is a lightweight carbon fiber monopod that's easy to carry. Features to consider: payload capacity, battery life, ease of balancing, and available modes like follow, lock, or POV. Recommended models. The DJI Ronin SC is designed for mirrorless cameras, offering a range of motion and intelligent features like object tracking. Adds subtle motion to static shots, enhancing production value in interviews, B-roll, or product showcases. Recommended models. The Neewer camera slider offers a smooth glide and is available in various lengths. Shoulder rigs and Steadicams. For more complex movements, these tools distribute the camera's weight, allowing for longer handheld shots without fatigue. When choosing stabilization equipment, consider your typical shooting scenarios, the weight of your camera setup, and how much mobility you need. Enhance stability with these techniques. Practice camera movements. Smooth pans and tilts require steady hands and controlled movements. Use your body as a stabilizer by keeping elbows close and moving from the hips. Use Warp Stabilizer in post. Software tools like Adobe Premiere Pro's Warp Stabilizer can correct minor shakes, but excessive reliance can lead to unnatural-looking footage. Weighted rigs. Adding weight to your camera setup can sometimes reduce shake due to increased inertia. Just be mindful of the added strain during longer shoots. Cable management. Secure any cables connected to your camera to prevent them from tugging and causing unwanted movement. Environmental awareness. Be cautious of wind, uneven terrain, or vibrations from nearby equipment that can affect stability. Combining good equipment with solid technique results in the smoothest possible footage, enhancing the overall quality of your videos. Essential accessories. Explore items like external monitors, camera cages, filters, and storage solutions that can enhance your workflow and production value. Workflow and organization. Learn how to streamline your production process, from planning and scripting to file management and backups. Enhancing production value. Discover tips on incorporating graphics, animations, and sound design to make your videos stand out. Remember, start with what you have and upgrade as you grow. We've covered a significant amount of ground in this episode of our equipment series. From understanding the nuances of different camera types and selecting the perfect lens to capturing pristine audio, mastering lighting, and ensuring smooth, stable footage, we've laid the foundation for creating professional quality YouTube content. But our journey doesn't end here. In the next episode, we'll look into the importance of branding. From channel art and logos to descriptions and consistent visual identity, we'll cover everything you need to know to create a brand that represents who you are and what your channel is all about. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to AI Tutorials for more YouTube tips. See you in the next episode.